All right, I got the pressure washing snapshot available here. Giving you guys one last chance to pick this up before I go ahead and put it on the marketplace. I'm just going to walk you through it real quick. This one's super simple. I've talked to a few company owners, and this is what they asked for right now. I am going to add a little bit to it, beef it up a little bit. Right now it's just a residential campaign. We're going to be adding a commercial campaign as well. You'll receive the updates, but this is what we got so far. So this is a tried and true landing page template that works amazingly well for local offers. I'm including Facebook ad examples as well that you can use for yourself, for your clients, for a quick to launch campaign. So best price guarantee. It just works. Like, people are people, psychology, like consumers looking for this service. That's all they want to see. It's like a pat on the back. Save $100 on our best-selling platinum pressure washing service. So people want to save at least $100, and you're giving the service a cool name, whatever they want to call it: executive, exclusive, premium, presidential. This is going to be like a white glove service. They're going to go above and beyond for their customers, but the key is giving them great service at a discount, and then at the end of the sale, making sure to book your next appointment. Or it's just like a dentist getting into someone's mouth for a teeth cleaning. Yes, we're going to whiten your teeth, but you have a cavity. It looks like we need some crowns or veneers or things like that. You're going to have to educate your clients a little bit on upselling. You don't want them to get this and then only get discount clients. But that's business 101. So hey, New York, this is a custom value. Whatever the city name is of the location, that's what's going to plug in right here. A Raleigh, a Charleston, a Houston, a Los Angeles, whatever it's going to be. We're going to do something crazy to promote our pressure washing business. Get $100 off our best-selling and highest-rated pressure washing service. We only have 37 discount vouchers left, so claim yours today. You need me on a phone number, claim your voucher for $100 off. If you want to change the total amount, make sure to change it on the button in the form, as well as in the title up here. Right here is a rating. So you want to make sure that you have a rating beneath here, some type of social proof. This is insane for increasing click-through rates. Landing pages without this versus landing pages with it, it's like a 50% increase between the two. And then beneath that, you're going to want a true customer testimonial. Make sure to get that included down here. Last but not least, a map to the location. We're showing where they're located. You know, right here I have New York, and so I did the Empire State Building, but it's really easy to just grab an image, do a screenshot of a map, make it clickable, and within the funnel, you can just set the URL to the Google Map directions to their office. It's going to be somewhere in their hometown. It's going to be very familiar, so everyone's going to recognize it. They just want to see that their office is local. After this page, when people enter the information, it'll bring them here. Step 2, book a time for us to come view your property. Thanks. This will have their first name populated here, whatever their first name was that they entered here. It'll pre-populate up here. It tells people they should receive an email 5 to 10 minutes to make sure that they're one of the 37 that's able to get the $100 discount. Make sure that the 37 or however many are left matches this first page. And then you set their times in the calendar here. Calendars are basic. I have a basic every 30 minutes. There's an appointment type of thing. You want to change that to an hour, hour and a half, whatever you want to do. Talk with your client, get it all set. It's a basic calendar. After that, it takes them to this page. You're going to want a picture of the trucks of the actual company, or the staff or the team of whoever. Thanks, first name, just email me with confirmation, blah, blah, blah. Same ratings here. These are custom values as well, the location, city, and then you can change this for however long they've been in business. A few things happen behind the scenes with these automations. The database reactivation campaign, super simple. Just create contacts, add a DR tag, and enters them into this campaign. It sends out this $100 offer. If people are interested, then it sends them a text, and you can insert a link here to take them to the landing page. Once someone fills out the form, it brings them to this automation where they get added to the pipeline, a text is sent to the staff, an email is sent to the staff, and there's an email template. People are sent this, simple voucher or the coupon code. Here's your code for the $100 discount, 100 off now. Make sure to show this to the staff, this email when you show up to check out your property to schedule your service. So, yes, this is incredible. It works really well for local service-based businesses. This is built for pressure washing companies. The background image on the home page, the confirmation, the scheduling page, and the final confirmation page. You're gonna want actual pictures of the company. So their truck, their office, the staff, them working, whatever it is. These demo pictures do work well, but make sure that they are very specific to the local audience. Not everyone has tile roofs, shingle roofs, metal roofs, whatever is specific to that area. If they're big brick houses, if they're small ranches, make sure that you're getting something that is relatable to the local population. So this is available at the buy it before it's built price of $47 right now. You can just get the Snapchat link, load everything into your Go High Level account. I'm putting it on my marketplace this weekend. It will be available for $97 there. So if you want to save $50, go ahead, let me know, and I will send you the link.
Hey, just wanted to walk you through this one-page website here for the pressure washing. Told you I'd get this to you today. Got a lot of custom values, same custom values that you would have on the regular landing page, the one that already came with it, but this one has a few more features. Let me move my face right here. So let me walk you through the regular site. So you can see logo up here, tracking phone number, whether it's Twilio, LC, Google phone number, whatever that is, just plug in the tracking phone number into your custom values, plug right there. Location name, industry name, discount, those are all custom values. Claim your discount, you click this and it'll scroll. If you're on mobile, it'll scroll to this form here. Claim your $100 discount here. Complete the form below to claim your $100 discount on any. I gotta fix that custom value because it didn't populate. It'll say on any pressure washing service. So, and then claim your voucher. So this form will go to the calendar form. It's the same form that's available on the other one. A little bit of social proof, a little bit of trust factor. We have, these are just background images for columns. You're gonna wanna use actual working images, not stock images if you can. So get pictures of the company you're working with, find them from their Facebook if they don't have them, but chances are they have some on their phone already, so it'll be real easy for them to send you some. This is all a bunch of custom values in here. Click on these, they take you to the footer form, your trusted pressure washing specialist, some testimonials. You'll have to fix these, so grab some testimonials from their Facebook or Google. And then different packages. You can ask them what services they offer, silver, gold, diamond, whatever 3 different packages they have. That's information you can probably grab. It'll only take 5-10 minutes to get that. And then you just write what's offered, what's available in that package. Silver package, we clean the exterior of your house and your roof using environment safe chemicals, and we're done in a few hours. Gold package, everything that's included in the silver package, plus we go ahead and we clean your sidewalks and your walkways. Diamond package, we do everything. We do a soft wash on the roof, we clean the windows, we clean the driveway, we clean the sidewalks, clean the back patio. Your entire house will be clean and blah 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 blah. We use our premium whatever. So yeah, locally trusted pressure washing experts. In need of pressure washing in Cleveland. I need to fix that eye. Pressure washing specialists are ready to help. Quick list of services. This is going to be a team picture, so it has to be a team picture or a picture of their truck or a picture of their location. Plug that in here. put in their discount, and then we have this exact same discount form that was up here. Doesn't matter which one they fill out, both exactly the same. So this looks great on mobile also. I just checked it on my phone. I want to go ahead, I want to get the custom value here fixed. I probably accidentally like just to put the wrong one in there, and then I want to fix this typo here as well. Other than that, this is good to go.